In tattooing, stroke length refers to the distance the needle travels from its highest point to its lowest point during a single cycle of the tattoo machine. This concept is particularly relevant to rotary and coil tattoo machines, which drive the needle in and out of the skin to deposit ink. Understanding stroke length is crucial for tattoo artists, as it directly affects the machine's behavior and the outcome of the tattoo. Here's a detailed explanation of what stroke length entails and its implications. Stroke length is the measure of how far the needle moves up and down within the tube. In simpler terms, it's the length of the throw, or the range of the needle's movement. Both rotary and coil tattoo machines have mechanisms to control stroke length. Rotary machines use cams or eccentric wheels to convert the rotating motion into a linear one, while coil machines use an armature bar and springs. What is the stroke length impact on tattooing? A longer stroke length allows more ink to be picked up and deposited with each cycle. This can be beneficial for filling large areas or creating bold lines. Machines with a longer stroke length tend to cause more trauma to the skin as the needle penetrates deeper and more forcefully. This can increase healing time and the risk of overworking the skin. A shorter stroke length offers more control and precision, which is crucial for detailed work, shading, or creating fine lines. Due to the shorter stroke, a higher power setting is necessary to achieve penetration. Many modern machines allow artists to adjust the stroke length to suit their technique and the specific requirements of the tattoo they're working on. Short stroke, 1.5 millimeters to 3.5 millimeters, typically used for finer details, intricate line work, and soft shading. It's less traumatic to the skin and allows for greater precision. This is the most common range for PMU artists. Medium stroke, 3.5 millimeters to 4.4 millimeters. Considered versatile, suitable for a mix of line work and shading. It's often preferred for its balance between detail and ink saturation. Long stroke, 4.5 millimeters and above, generally used for bold lines, solid color packing, and deep saturation. It's more aggressive and can be more damaging to the skin if not used correctly. Considerations for artists. Understanding and adjusting stroke length comes with experience. Beginner artists might start with a medium stroke to learn the nuances before experimenting. Different skin types react differently to the needle. Artists must consider the client's skin sensitivity and adjust the stroke length accordingly to minimize damage and promote better healing. Modern tattoo machines often come with adjustable stroke lengths, enabling artists to switch between different types of work quickly. This adaptability has become a standard feature in many high-end machines, reflecting the industry's move towards versatility and precision. Stroke length is a fundamental aspect of a tattoo machine's configuration that significantly affects the application and quality of a tattoo. By understanding and adjusting stroke length, artists can tailor their approach to each unique design, client, and situation, ultimately improving the quality and healing of the tattoos they create.